Hello beasties, I'm back again. Some of you might have been wondering where I've been. Well, I'll tell you guys, I've had the worst luck since January. Um, I've gone through about 3 laptops because my first one finally gave out. It lasted me well, did a good job, but it died. And then I went and got another one which I thought was the same specs. Turns out it wasn't, so now I'm on my third laptop. Um, and alongside that, my van kept breaking down. I was actually on my way to a camping area miles away, and my clutch just gave out, just died on me, no warning. So I had to limp all the way back. But anyway, we're back to it. Hopefully next week I'll actually have something substantial to post, and I'm really looking forward to getting back to it. So thank you guys for being patient, and hopefully we'll be up and running really soon.